Hello, my refrigerator stopped dispensing water, so I went and I opened the filter, and I pushed on the button, and the water was coming out. So and I put the filter back, and I came and I traced the line. I got a new filter, and videos I watched was that many people they concern themselves with this plastic in the center, and it really has got nothing to do with this. The water comes in from one side and goes out from the other side. If the pumps in the back, everything work good, you have to come and check this line that comes out. You have to check that, because mine was against the body right here, and it was frozen. Water in it was frozen and did not allow the water to come through. So I took the line out, cleaned it out, and now everything is working good. You don't have to take the line out. What you can do, use the hair dryer and heat it against this area, warm it up real good, and the water in the line will defrost and allows the water to come out. So that was my problem, and I just wanted to share it with you. Maybe it would be helpful. Thank you.